How to get a renovation mortgage/homestyle loan, the ultimate guide. A renovation mortgage or homestyle loan is a unique financing option particularly beneficial to homeowners or potential buyers who seek to renovate their homes. Originated by Fannie Mae, this loan type has distinct advantages and drawbacks that merit careful consideration. What is a renovation mortgage/homestyle loan? A renovation mortgage, also known as a Fannie Mae HomeStyle Loan, is a specific type of mortgage loan that permits homebuyers to borrow both the purchase price of a home and associated renovation costs. It integrates the features of a construction loan with a standard 30-year mortgage, facilitating payments for renovations. How to qualify for a renovation mortgage/homestyle loan. Qualifying for a renovation mortgage or homestyle loan typically requires meeting specific criteria set by lenders. These loans help borrowers finance both the purchase of a home and the cost of renovations or repairs. Here are some general steps to qualify for a renovation mortgage or homestyle loan. Number 1. Review your credit. Viewing your credit status before applying for a renovation mortgage or homestyle loan is recommended. A good credit score is critical to secure a low interest rate. You can enhance your credit score by making timely payments on bills and outstanding credit and paying down credit card bills to trim the overall debt. Number 2. Estimate the cost of your project. There are many factors to consider when determining the cost of your project. To formulate a comprehensive budget, determine labor and supplies costs, project costs, living expenses, license fees, inspection fees, and more. It is crucial to be realistic about the renovations timeline to avoid additional expenses and investments that are not worth the cost. Number 3. Compare mortgage lenders and offerings. When qualifying for a renovation mortgage or homestyle loan, carefully comparing lenders and offerings for the best terms is crucial. To begin, examine payment terms and fees across different lenders as rates and costs vary, as these factors can significantly impact your financial commitments. Consult with your mortgage broker or lender about the homestyle loan option. If not available, seek a recommended lender who does. Number 4. Estimate the time it will take to save enough money for the renovation. Start by thoroughly examining bank statements, W-2s, 1099, and tax returns by documenting your current income and assets. From there, make a well-informed renovation plan, deciding what changes you want to implement and their potential costs. Consider potential extra costs like architectural and engineering fees, inspections, permits, and cost overruns, often overlooked in the initial budgeting phase but can significantly impact the time required. Number 5. Do research on renovation loans like FHA 203K and Fannie Mae HomeStyle. To research renovation loans like FHA 203K and Fannie Mae HomeStyle, begin researching mortgage lenders to determine who offers these loan products. It could entail engaging with local mortgage brokers, credit unions, banks, or other area-specific lenders. For instance, a borrower interested in the Fannie Mae HomeStyle loan must identify a lender offering the product. Then, conduct a comparative analysis of diverse loan types considering specific requirements like income, credit score, and renovation cost. Also, consider renovation loan programs like FHA 203K that allow property demolition and rebuilding on the existing foundation. Number 6. Learn about the difference between a homestyle and a FHA 203K loan. A homestyle and 203K loans serve similar purposes. They fund property purchases and renovations. Homestyle, offered by Fannie Mae, and 203K from the Federal Housing Administration, differ in several aspects. Unlike 203K loans, homestyle loans allow for second homes and investment properties, displaying broader eligibility. Also, homestyle does not mandate the approved contractor requirement of the 203K program. However, one unique aspect of 203K loans is the provision to demolish and rebuild the existing foundation, which the homestyle loan does not grant. Number 7. Evaluate the risk level associated with each option available to you. Research different lenders and examine their payment terms, rates, and fees. Then, compile a comprehensive budget for labor costs, supplies, and potential relocation expenses during the project. Lastly, analyze your budget size with the loan offerings to determine the best fit. Number 8. Ask questions. Securing the best renovation mortgage is critical to achieving homeowners' dream improvements. Let's look at some valuable tips for those initial questions, clarifying borrowers' options and obligations. Number 1. Ask, what will my labor and supply costs be? These details will shape the budget and monthly repayments. Number 2. Inquire, will there be additional accommodation costs? Living arrangements may need to be factored into the cost. Number 3. Probe, how well versed are you with home-style renovation loans? A knowledgeable lender or contractor simplifies the process. Number 4. Explore, what's the evaluation process? Understanding both the personal financial and renovation plan assessments is beneficial. Number 5. Clarify, what is the work completion time frame? Defining remodeling schedules helps with organizing projects and their timelines. For more information about renovation mortgages or home-style loans, contact Mary Catcher with Marimark Mortgage today.